the core of cellular aging are telomeres, the protective caps on chromosomes. Each cell division shortens telomeres. When too short, cells stop replicating, leading to aging and disease. Thankfully, the body has a repair system. Telomerase, an enzyme made of TERT and TERK, extends telomeres, helping cells remain functional. The Klotho gene, known as the anti-aging gene, supports brain health and cognition. Mice with extra Klotho perform better on memory tests and live longer. Recent breakthroughs indicate dietary MAF, created from whey protein, may activate telomerase and Klotho. It increased telomere length and restored telomerase activity in both mouse and human studies. It also raised Klotho levels in the brain and kidneys. A Japanese study showed that 161 participants taking dietary MAF for 6 months saw telomeres lengthen by 23% and biological age drop by 1.35 years. Another trial in elderly patients improved memory scores faster than diet alone. By supporting telomeres and Klotho, dietary MAF may slow aging and extend health span. Rejuvenation and longevity may now be more achievable.